Today I am going to clean my house and practice English with you.
First, I open the windows to let in some fresh air and morning light.
I make my bed every morning before I start cleaning the rest of the house. I pick up everything from the floor so the room looks clean and tidy. I dust the shelves and furniture to remove all the dirt and dust today. I wipe the table with a clean cloth to make it shine and look nice again. I wash the dishes after every meal to keep my kitchen clean and fresh.
I sweep the floor every morning to keep the kitchen clean and tidy.
After sweeping, I mop the floor to make it clean and shiny all day. Clean the mirror until it is perfectly clear and shining brightly.
I put the dirty clothes inside the washing machine to do my laundry.
I hang the clean clothes to dry in the fresh air near the window.
Keep watching. We have more useful English sentences coming for you now. I vacuum the carpet to remove all the dust and dirt hiding deep inside. I take out the trash to keep the house clean and smelling fresh. I clean the windows so the sunlight can come in and brighten the whole room. I organize the shelves and put everything back in its proper place. I scrub the bathroom sink until it is perfectly clean and shining. I fold the clean, dry clothes and put them away in the closet neatly. I water my plants every day because they need care just like we do. I wash the fruits before eating them to make sure they are clean and safe. I empty the dishwasher and put all the clean dishes back in the cupboard. I arrange the cushions on the sofa so the living room looks neat and cozy. The house is clean now, and I feel so happy and proud of all my hard work. Subscribe to Nana English Daily for a new English lesson every single day.